but the ability to handle conflict by peaceful means. This was said by none other than Ronald Reagan. A delightful evening to this assembly, graced by the presence of esteemed personalities, intellectuals, learned professors, and our dedicated participants. We are gathered for the valedictory ceremony of the first Kerala Law Academy International Negotiation Competition 2026, a milestone event organized by the Kerala Law Academy Law College in association with the KLA Moot Court Society and IQAC KLA.
This competition has brought together aspiring negotiators from diverse institutions, providing them with a unique platform to demonstrate the art of dialogue, persuasion, and collaborative problem-solving skills that form the very foundation of modern dispute resolution. I am Nair A. Maniwala, and it is my privilege to guide you through this distinguished program in tandem with my co-anchor, Vaishnavi Nagaraj. The Kerala Law Academy Law College has proved its eminence in legal erudition while being at par with international standards by incorporating a three-dimensional approach encompassing a department for legal education, legal publication, and legal advice. Today's event stands as yet another milestone in the sport of constant deliberation and effort from the part of this institution.
At this juncture, it is my privilege to invite Ms. Pillari D.R. Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Kerala Law Academy Law College, to deliver the welcome address. Ma'am, we are honored to have you among us today. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Vaishnavi and Manibala. Esteemed dignitaries, Sri S. Shamna Sir, Senior Civil Judge Secretary, District Legal Service Authority, Tirunelveli. Dr. Sagi Geeta Sethu Ma'am, Program Head, Amity Law School, Amity University, Dubai. Mr. Jaydeep J. Nair Sir, Advocate and Accredited Mediator, Tirunelveli. Mr. Narayanan R. Sir, Advocate, Tirunelveli. Advocate Nagaraj Narayanan Sir, Director, Kerala Law Academy Law College. Professor Anil Kumar K. Sir, Director, Administration, Students and Faculty Affairs, Kerala Law Academy Law College. Ms. Chinnu S., Assistant Professor, Kerala Law Academy Law College. Esteemed faculty members, distinguished guests, dear participants, and my dear students, it is my great honor and privilege to extend a warm and cordial welcome to all of you to the valedictory session of the first Kerala Law Academy International Negotiation Competition organized by the Kerala Law Academy Law College, Tirunelveli, in association with the KLA Moot Court Society and IQAC KLA. This competition reflects our institution's strong commitment to nurturing practical legal skills and promoting alternative dispute resolution mechanism, particularly negotiation, and act that lies at the heart of effective legal practice. Negotiation demands not only legal knowledge but also strategic thinking, communication, patience, and the ability to understand diverse perspectives. In a world where conflicts are inevitable, the ability to resolve them through dialogue and mutual understanding is both a professional skill and a social responsibility. Over the course of this competition, participants have demonstrated remarkable enthusiasm, preparation, and professionalism. They have engaged in thoughtful dialogue, strategic bargaining, and constructive problem solving, embodying the very spirit of negotiation. The event has served not only as a competition but also a platform for learning, collaboration, and intellectual exchange among aspiring legal professionals. As we gather to conclude this meaningful and enrichment event, we are deeply honored by the presence of our distinguished dignitaries who have graciously joined us today. We extend our heartfelt welcome to Sri S. Shamna Sir, Senior Civil Judge and Secretary of the District Legal Service Authority, Tirunelveli. Sir's commitment to the justice delivery system and his dedication to strengthen access to justice continue to inspire young members of the legal community. On behalf of the Kerala Law Academy Law College and on my own behalf, I extend our warmest welcome to you, sir. It is also our privilege to welcome Dr. Sagi Geetam Sethu Ma'am, Program Head at Amity Law School, Amity University, Dubai. Ma'am's distinguished contribution to legal education and engagement with international academic platforms have enriched the field of legal scholarship. We are truly honored to have your presence with us today. On behalf of Kerala Law Academy Law College, I extend my warmest welcome to you, ma'am. We are delighted to welcome Mr. Jaydeep G. Nair, sir, Advocate and Accredited Mediator, Thiruvananthapuram. Sir's professional experience and expertise in dispute resolution continue to guide and inspire students who aspire to excel in negotiation and mediation. Sir, it is indeed a privilege to have you with us today. On behalf of the Kerala Law Academy Law College and on my own behalf, I extend our warmest welcome to you, sir. We also extend a warm welcome to Mr. Narayanan R. Sir, Advocate Thiruvananthapuram, whose presence adds great value to this occasion. Sir's professional insights and experience in legal service serve as an inspiring for young law students who are stepping in the field of law. We are truly honored to have you with us today, sir. On behalf of the Kerala Law Academy Law College, I extend my warmest welcome to you, sir. We offer our sincere welcome to Chinnu Ma'am, Assistant Professor, the Kerala Law Academy Law College, a dedicated academician whose commitment to teaching and student mentorship has significantly contributed to the academic excellence of the institution. Ma'am is also known for dedication to legal education and shaping young legal minds. She would be delivering the art of thanks to this section, and it's my privilege to welcome you, ma'am. We respectfully acknowledge Advocate Nagaraj Narayanan sir, Director Kerala Law Academy Law College and Member Bar Council of Kerala. Though not present with us today, sir remains a steadfast pillar of strength for our institution. Sir's unwavering commitment and academic excellence and the constant encouragement have played a vital role in shaping the intellectual and professional growth to our students. I extend my warmest welcome to you, sir, as well. We also place on record our sincere appreciation for Professor Anilkumar Kesa, Director, Administration, Students and Faculty Affairs. We recognize the dynamic leadership and consistent efforts in advancing the academic and administrative standards of our college. Sir's vision and dedication continue to inspire our academic community. I extend my warmest welcome to you, sir. We are truly honored to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to our treasured and cherished principal, Professor Harindran Kesa, whose unwavering commitment to academic excellence and institutional growth has always been the backbone of this college. Sir, it is with genuine pleasure I extend my warmest welcome to you, sir. Next, we extend our warmest welcome to Professor Anilkumar G. Sir, Vice Principal of Kerala Law Academy Law College. Sir's eminent career in education spanned decades, marked by a profound commitment to fostering holistic academic growth and nurturing intellectual curiosity among students. Sir, it is with genuine pleasure I extend my warmest welcome to you, sir. Next, we are truly honored to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to Professor Dr. Ajita Nair Elman, Head of Department, Kerala Law Academy, and esteemed member of the Kerala Law Academy family for over 25 years. Ma'am's remarkable journey with our institution embodies a legacy of constant dedication, steadfast commitment, and profound impact in every sphere of academic and organizational life. I wholeheartedly welcome you, ma'am. We also extend a warm welcome to Dr. Dakshina Saraswati Ma'am, Associate Professor and General Secretary, Moot Court Society, Kerala Law Academy, whose years of dedicated service and academic excellence have greatly contributed to the success of our college. We are honored to have you with us, ma'am. A heartfelt welcome also goes to our dedicated faculty conveners, student conveners, the IT department, and the non-teaching staff for your collective passion, hard work, and enthusiasm, which have played a pivotal role in bringing this event to life. The success of this competition is a result of the tireless efforts and support of each one of you, without whom this event would not have been possible. A very special welcome goes to all the participants who joined this competition from various institutions. Your enthusiasm, preparation, and professionalism have made this event intellectually vibrant and truly memorable. Though your performance, you have demonstrated that effective negotiation is not merely about persuasion, but about understanding, cooperation, and constructive dialogue. As we come together to celebrate the successful completion of the first Kerala Law Academy International Negotiation Competition, may the spirit of of dialogue, professionalism, and collaborative problem solving continue to guide each of us in our academic and professional journeys. Once again, I extend my heartfelt welcome to everyone gathered here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your warm welcome. And I also take the privilege to welcome you, ma'am, to this distinguished gathering. We need my request as dignitaries to kindly grace this session by lighting the lamp, a symbol of knowledge, enlightenment, and the spirit of collaboration. We kindly invite all the dignitaries to come forward to the stage, please. Thank you all. Now, we are in the gracious presence of Sri S. Shamnath Sir, Senior Civil Judge and Secretary of the District Legal Services Authority, Thiruvananthapuram, and a dedicated member of the Kerala State Judicial Service. In this esteemed position, Sir has been actively promoting access to justice through legal aid initiatives, lok adalats, and legal awareness programs. Through these dedicated efforts in strengthening the legal services movement and extending the reach of justice to marginalized sections of society, Sir continues to make invaluable contributions to the judicial delivery system. It is indeed a matter of great honor to have Sir with us today. With utmost respect and privilege, I take this opportunity to welcome Sri S. Shamnar Sir for the valedictory address and also for the announcements of our winners. Sir, please.
വിന്നേഴ്സ് അനൗൺസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് നിങ്ങൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് റിപ്പോർട്ട് യെസ് യെസ് ഏതൊക്കെ കോളേജസ് ആണുള്ളത്? 2 കോളേജസ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? അനുവാൽസ് കൊച്ചി ആൻഡ് തിരുച്ചിറപ്പള്ളി. ഓക്കെ.
Symbiosis
Symbiosis,
Yes. So mediation competition and negotiation competition. നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാവുന്നത് ഇവിടെ കോൺസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷനിൽ ആർട്ടിക്കിൾ 39A ഡയറക്റ്റീവ് പ്രിൻസിപ്പിൾ ഓഫ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ് പോളിസി, അതിലൊരു ആർട്ടിക്കിൾ ഉണ്ട് 39A, ആക്സസ് ടു ജസ്റ്റിസ് എന്നാണ് അതിനകത്ത് പറയുന്നത്. കോൺസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷണൽ മറ്റൊരു പാർട്ടാണ് കോൺസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ ഫണ്ടമെന്റൽ റൈറ്റ്സ്, റൈറ്റ് ടു ഇക്വാലിറ്റി, തുല്യതയ്ക്കുള്ള അവകാശം. അതിനുശേഷമാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഒരു ആക്ട് വന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്, അതാണ് 1987 ആക്ട്, ലീഗൽ സർവീസസ് അതോറിറ്റീസ് ആക്ട് 1987. അതിനു മുന്നേ ഒരു കമ്മിറ്റി ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, സുപ്രീം കോർട്ട് കമ്മിറ്റി, ലീഗൽ എയ്ഡ് ആൻഡ് ലീഗൽ സർവീസസ് കമ്മിറ്റി. കോമ്പറ്റീഷന്റെ നെഗോസിയേഷൻ കോമ്പറ്റീഷന്റെ ഒരു വാലിഡിറ്റി സെഷനാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ കുറെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. എന്താണ് മീഡിയേഷൻ എന്നും എന്താണ് നെഗോസിയേഷൻ എന്നുള്ളതൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. നെഗോസിയേഷൻ അതിലെ എലമെന്റ്സ് എന്തൊക്കെയാണ്, ഏത് രീതിയിലാണ് ഡിസ്പ്യൂട്ട്സ് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്, ആ ഡിസ്പ്യൂട്ട്സ് എങ്ങനെ റിസോൾവ് ചെയ്യാം. റിസോൾവ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിൽ നമ്മളെ ട്രഡീഷണൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള കോർട്ട് സിസ്റ്റം, മോഡേൺ കോർട്ട് സിസ്റ്റം, മോഡേൺ മീഡിയേഷൻ സിസ്റ്റം, ഇത് രണ്ടും തമ്മിലുള്ള വ്യത്യാസം എന്താണ്? മീഡിയേഷൻ ഇന്ന് തുടങ്ങിയതല്ല, അവിടെ ഏൻഷ്യൻ ടൈമിലുണ്ട്. അന്ന് ലോക്കൽ സെൽഫ് ഗവൺമെന്റ് ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻസ്, ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ ഫിൽട്ടർ സിസ്റ്റം ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ പോലും ലോക്കൽ ഗവൺമെന്റ്സ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അന്ന് അവിടെ തന്നെയാണ് തമ്മിൽ കാര്യങ്ങൾ തമ്മിൽ സംസാരിച്ച് വരുന്നത്, സെറ്റിൽ ചെയ്തിരുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ കാലം കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോഴാണ് കോഴ്സ് വന്നു. കോഴ്സിന്റെ പ്രത്യേകത ജഡ്ജസാണ് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, കേൾക്കുന്നു, അപ്പൊ അതൊക്കെ തന്നെ അവർ ഡിസൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നു റൈറ്റ് ആൻഡ് വാട്ട് ഈസ് റോങ്. അതേസമയം നമ്മുടെ മീഡിയേഷന്റെ ഭാഗത്തേക്ക്, സെറ്റിൽമെന്റിന്റെ ഭാഗത്തേക്ക് വരുമ്പോൾ ഏത് തരത്തിലാകുമ്പോൾ ഗുണമെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, അവിടെ 5 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വരുന്നത്. അത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനാണ്. ഇഷ്യൂസ് എങ്ങനെയാണ് അഡ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. പാർട്ടീസിനെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം കോൺഫ്ലിക്റ്റ് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടാവും. അവരുടെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റിനെ ബാധിക്കാത്ത രീതിയിൽ ആ മാറ്റർ എങ്ങനെയാണ്, ഡിസ്പ്യൂട്ട് എങ്ങനെ റിസോൾവ് ചെയ്യാം എന്നുള്ളതാണ് യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ മീഡിയേഷനിലൂടെ, നെഗോസിയേഷനിലൂടെ വരുന്നത്. ഒരു സിവിലൈസ്ഡ് പ്രോസസ്സാണ് യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ ഈ മീഡിയേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. കുറെ കാലമെടുത്ത് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യം, ടൈം കൺസ്യൂമിംഗ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു പ്രോസസ്സിനെ ടൈം സേവിംഗ് ആക്കി മാറ്റുന്ന ഒരു പ്രോസസ്സാണ് ഈ നെഗോസിയേഷൻ അഥവാ മീഡിയേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സെക്ഷൻ 89 നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം. CPC, മീഡിയേഷൻ, ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ, കൺസിലേഷൻ, ഇതെല്ലാം ഈ സെക്ഷൻ 18 ഭാഗത്ത് വരുന്നതാണ്. റീസെന്റ് ആയിട്ട് നമുക്കൊരു മീഡിയേഷൻ ആക്ട് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, 2022 മീഡിയേഷൻ ആക്ട്. അതിന് മുന്നേ അത് പ്രൊവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ആൻഡ് കൺസിലേഷൻ ആക്ട് 1996. പിന്നെ ചില ഗൈഡ്ലൈൻസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, കേരള സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ഗൈഡ്ലൈൻസ് ആണ്. ആ ഗൈഡ്ലൈൻസ് അനുസരിച്ചാണ് ഒക്കെ പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്നത്. പക്ഷെ ഇവിടെയൊക്കെ കോൺഫ്ലിക്റ്റ്, ഒരു കോൺഫ്ലിക്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എതിർക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് കോൺഫ്ലിക്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്. എന്ത് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു മാറ്ററിനെ അതിനെ പ്രൊട്ടക്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് കോൺഫ്ലിക്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടാകുന്നത്. അത് ഉണ്ടാകാം. നമ്മൾ ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻസിലിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ എവിടെയാണ് നമ്മൾ കോൺഫ്ലിക്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന പറയുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ ഇമോഷൻസ് എല്ലാം എന്ത് ചെയ്യും? എന്ത് സ്ട്രോങ് ആണ്, നമുക്ക് വലിച്ചെടുക്കും. അത് ഞാൻ വലിയ മനസ്സിലാക്കി ചെയ്യുന്നത് ആളും ഇത്തരത്തിലെ ഭാഗത്ത് നിന്ന് അലക്കത്തിലും മാറാൻ കഴിയാറില്ല. സ്വാഭാവികമായി മോഡിഫിക്കേഷൻസ് അത് വേഗം ചെയ്യും. കേൾക്കാൻ തയ്യാറാകുന്നില്ല. അതാണ് ഭാര്യ ഭർത്താവിനെ കേൾക്കാൻ തയ്യാറാകുന്നില്ല. അതുപോലെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം വിശ്വാസമാണ്. എങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് റിസോൾവ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ളതാണ്. എന്ന് പറയുന്ന മേഖലയിലേക്ക് നമ്മൾ വരുന്നത്. നെഗോസിയേഷൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ മനുഷ്യന്റെ ഹാർട്ടാണ്. നെഗോസിയേഷൻ ഇല്ലാതെ സെറ്റിൽമെന്റ് പ്രോസസ്സും നടക്കുന്നില്ല. നമുക്ക് തരത്തിലുള്ള നെഗോസിയേഷൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. ചിലപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത്, പലപ്പോഴും ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു മാറ്റർ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചില ആളുകൾ സപ്പോസ് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു എമൗണ്ടിന്റെ കാര്യമാണെങ്കിൽ ചിലർ ഓഫർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് വളരെ കൂടുതലായിരിക്കും. അതൊരു സ്ലോ പ്രോസസ്സിൽ അതിനെ മീനിങ്ഫുൾ എഗ്രിമെന്റ് ആക്കി മാറ്റാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുകയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ആരെങ്കിലും ചോദിക്കുന്നു, കുറച്ച് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ഒരു ഡിസ്കഷനിലാണ് അത് ചെറിയ എമൗണ്ട് ആക്കി മാറ്റി ആ എഗ്രിമെന്റ് എന്തായിട്ട് മാറും? ഒരു സെറ്റിൽമെന്റ് എഗ്രിമെന്റ് ആയിട്ട് മാറി. അത് ദാറ്റ് ബി എക്സിക്യൂട്ടഡ് ബിഫോർ എ സിവിൽ കോർട്ട് എന്നുള്ള രീതിയിലാണ് പോകുന്നത്. ഇതിനെ നമ്മൾ ബൈപ്പാസ് ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ സൂട്ട് നടക്കുമ്പോൾ അതൊരു 6 to 10 years വരുന്ന കാലത്ത് ആ ഒരു ടൈം പീരീഡ് സെർവ് ചെയ്യാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അതിനുവേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുകയാണ്. സ്റ്റുഡൻസിക്ക് സാധാരണ നമ്മൾ ഒരു കേസ് കൊടുക്കുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ കോടതികളിൽ കേസ് കൊടുക്കുന്നു. ആ കേസ് കൊടുക്കുന്നതിനെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ തമ്മിൽ സംസാരിച്ച് തീർക്കുന്ന അതാണ് മീഡിയേഷൻ, നെഗോസിയേഷൻ. എപ്പോഴും കഴിഞ്ഞ കാലങ്ങളിൽ നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത് പലപ്പോഴും ആദ്യം ഒരു ഇഷ്യൂ ഉണ്ടാകുമ്പോൾ, ഡിസ്പ്യൂട്ട് ഉണ്ടാകുമ്പോൾ അപ്പോൾ തന്നെ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? എന്ത് ഇഷ്യൂ ആയിരുന്നാൽ ക്രിമിനൽ കേസിൽ നമുക്ക് എന്താണ് നെഗോസിയേഷൻ നടത്താൻ പറ്റും. ഒരു നെഗോസിയേഷൻ നടത്താൻ പറ്റും ക്രിമിനൽ കേസിൽ. ഉണ്ട്. അത് നമ്മൾ കാര്യം മനസ്സറിയുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. അവരുടെ ഇഷ്ടങ്ങൾ അറിയാന്നുള്ളതാണ്, അവരുടെ പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ അറിയാന്നുള്ളതാണ്, റൂട്ട് കോസ് അറിയുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. മാറ്റർ സപ്പോസ് 5 lakh rupees ആണ് അദ്ദേഹം ആവശ്യപ്പെട്ടത്. ഡിമാൻഡ് 5 lakh rupees. 5 ലക്ഷം ഉള്ള ആ ഒരു ബ്ലാങ്ക് ചെക്കാണ്. ബ്ലാങ്ക് ചെക്കിനെ 5 lakhs എന്ന് എഴുതി അദ്ദേഹം കോടതിയിൽ സബ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. ഞാനപ്പോൾ കൊടുക്കാനില്ല. സാഹചര്യത്തിലാണ് നമുക്ക് വരുന്നത്. സംസാരിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ട്, എനിക്ക് ഇതുണ്ട്. നെഗോസിയേഷൻ അങ്ങനെ ബലപ്പെട്ടുള്ള പ്രോസസ് മെക്കാനിസം. സാധാരണ പേരുകളിൽ നിന്ന് മാറി നെഗോസിയേഷൻ രംഗത്തേക്കും സെറ്റിൽമെന്റ് പാതയിലേക്കും നമ്മുടെ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസത്തിനെ ക്ഷണിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് പുതിയ ലോ സ്റ്റുഡൻസിന്റെ അവർക്ക് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുള്ള യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ അസൈൻമെന്റ്. ആ അസൈൻമെന്റ് നിങ്ങൾ കൃത്യമായി ചെയ്യണമെന്നുള്ളതാണ് പറയുന്നത്. പൊസിഷൻസ് ഉണ്ടാകും. ആളുകളെ നന്നായി മനസ്സിലാക്കുക, അവരോട് നന്നായി പെരുമാറുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ബിഹേവിയർ, ക്യാരക്ടർ. അതാണ് ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട കാര്യം. മറ്റൊരു എങ്ങനെ ഡീൽ ചെയ്യുന്നു? മാൻ മാനേജ്മെന്റ്, ക്രൈസിസ് മാനേജ്മെന്റ്. ഈ രണ്ട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ടതാണ്. ഇത് നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയണം. അതിനുവേണ്ടി നമ്മുടെ നെഗോസിയേഷൻ കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ ചെയ്തതായി പറയുന്നു, പ്രഖ്യാപിക്കുന്നു. Yes. Yes. Arpuda Bharat and Praise Pranab. Okay, you were seated there. Runner up. Okay, can be. Yes. National University of Advanced Legal Studies, Kochi. Participants, James, advice details. Okay, thank you very much. Then this teach now. Who's that person? Yes, congratulations, Mr. Pranav. Okay, thank you.
I humbly request all the dignitaries present on the dais to kindly come forward to the stage to give away the prizes to the winners. All the dignitaries will. So once again, the winners are Team Core C, Tamil Nadu National Law University, Tiruchirappalli, team comprising of Akvita Bharati and T.S. Pranav.
PZO, National University of Advanced Legal Studies, Kochi, comprising of Advaith Vijay and Jaymon C. James.
Sequentially, the Best Negotiator Award, TUCC, T.S. Pranav, Tamil Nadu National Law University, Tiruchirappalli.
Distinction certificates for the semi-finalists are also being awarded now. First, we have Team Code G, Symbiosis Law School, Nagpur, comprising of Anushka Sharma, Datla Lakshmi Ananya. Next, we have TCL, KIIT School of Law, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, comprising of Dishita Singh, Adrija Rai. Once again, congratulations to all the winners and participants.
Now, I request Professor Ankumar Kesa, Director, Administration, Students and Faculty Affairs, the Kerala Law Academy Law College, who is an integral part of the institution, overseeing academic and administrative excellence, to felicitate our distinguished guest. We extend a warm welcome to him as he takes the stage for the special role. Sir, please. Now, I welcome Shri S. Shamwan sir to receive the token of love and appreciation. I welcome Dr. Shaggy Vilas to receive the token of love and appreciation. Mr. Jackie G. Harrison to receive the token of love and appreciation. And now I welcome Mr. Narayan R. Sir to receive the token of love and appreciation. Thank you all.
Now, I request all the dignitaries to be seated.
പിന്നെ ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട്
The gracious presence of Dr. Sagi Geeta Setu Ma'am, Program Head of Amity Law School, Amity University, Dubai, an accomplished academic and legal professional. She holds a PhD in law from National Law University, Delhi, and LLM in International Economic Law from the University of Warwick, UK. With experience in both academia and legal practice, her areas of expertise include international law, corporate law, and criminal law. It is indeed a privilege to have such a distinguished scholar with us today. It is with immense honor that I invite Dr. Sagi Geeta Setu Ma'am to deliver the keynote address. Ma'am, please.
First of all, congratulations to the winners and the participants of this competition. It was a really good experience for me, and I'm sure with the co-judges as well. Some of you have been hearing me from the morning, like I've been here since morning talking to you, right? So this phase has become a little boring watching since morning till now. When I came here and I was told that I have to give the keynote address, even 5 minutes earlier, I was actually thinking, what am I going to talk? But I'm going to give two incidents which happened in my life around me within a span of 1 month. So I'm going to pose certain questions. I will leave it open to you, which you will all have to take back. And this is on gender issue. We didn't address that at all. Being a woman, I think I have to address this. So I'll start with two incidents. One incident is of a married woman. She has been married for 24 years. She's a teacher in an abusive relationship and was not ready to come out of the relationship even after 24 years. Mind you, she's educated. She's a teacher in a school.
two kids. Younger son is in 10 years old, and elder girl is in college. So when I meet her, she's in a very distraught state, and I meet her for some other purpose. I just go into the school for my kids. Some silly issues. I interfere in being a lawyer. We kind of interfere in many of the things. I went in and she was distraught. And I tried to find out what is the issue. And this is what I figured out. And I said, did you go to the police station? So mind you, this is in UAE. It's not in Kerala or anywhere in India. So I asked, did you go to the police station? And she said, no, I don't know, my visa will be cancelled. I'll not know where to go. But all I know that I don't want to continue this after 24 years. So that thing was ringing in my mind. 24 years, how did you? 24 years, how did you? This was ringing in my mind. And I said, go to the police immediately. She went to the police, and of course, there are constraints in country like, say, for example, UAE or any other country that you would go. The police will be reluctant to interfere in the spousal matters, though they will take, register a case if we process, but they're reluctant. So they said, approach the court. Now, I'll tell you why this is relevant also. So she's scared again to approach the court because the husband is quite influential with money, everything, and she claims herself to be just a teacher. I said, there's no just a teacher. You're educated. You're a teacher. File the case. Lot of pressure from all across all community, including the school's main association, the president, everybody, not to file the case for divorce. I said, nothing doing. You're going to file the case for divorce. Nobody is going to dictate your life for you. Only you've suffered enough. You're not going to hear it from anybody else but yourself. Do you want this to be the lesson you want to give to your kids? Are they going to learn it? You have a boy and a girl. Is this the lesson that you want to give it to your kids, whether to your girl or your child, both your child? She filed for divorce. She was very scared. I said, file it. It's okay. Let's see what the court will be influenced. That was a concern. I said, this is a court. There'll be fair judgment coming here. It doesn't matter who is influential or what. You will have a fair judgment. Just keep faith in the judiciary. The judgment came. It came in her favor because there was right, and we had to translate. The problem with the language that we were discussing earlier, what language is the code, that everything is in Arabic. And the first time she went there, everything was, they were conversing in Arabic, and she had no clue what was happening. And the husband was talking in Arabic to the judge, and she came back and said, ma'am, I don't think so. We're going to win this case, because he explained everything in Arabic, and the judge was not ready to listen to me because I'm speaking in English. And I said, okay, whatever you have to do, just write everything in English, get it translated, legally translated into Arabic, and submit that document. And that was submitted. She won the case. And then we have the appeal period is very short. Within a month, you have to file an appeal. And within 15 days, they will come up with a judgment. It will not take longer than that. So again, she was afraid. I said, what will happen to my visa? Because you're in another country, the visa will get, it's under the husband's visa. So you're depending on the husband. I said, you're educated, you can find a job. The government is going to give you 2 months of time to find, and renew your visa. And there are a lot of other options. Don't let these technicalities hold you from doing what you think is right. But for the appeal, again, it was a period, and then there was a lot of supporting document which was there. But in the court, was asking. So he was, the husband was saying that, misbehavior with his spouse and what happened, etc. A lot of evidence was being given. The judge asked, marriage is between you and her. This marriage is in there. So if you are mistreating her, if she's unhappy and unsatisfied with it, that's it. The marriage ends. But it's not evidence required. This is what the court said. And also, if you're a non-Muslim, they would apply the law of your religion. So they were ready to apply the law of the Hindu law and the Indian law as possible. But the husband did not seek for it. He thought if he applied the Sharia law, it would be beneficial for him. But it turns out it didn't turn out beneficial. He didn't require the requirement of. So So this is one of the incident, and I will tell you why in a minute tell you why I came. I'm referring to this incident. The second incident, one of my student, you finish bright gold medalist, right? So you're thinking you're ensuring that the students are coming out smart, yeah. Before the enrollment, before the graduation, got into a very good job. So she comes and tells me, "Ma'am, I get the job in this one, and this is my salary," and I was so happy for her. 2 weeks later, I hear panic calls from other friends saying that she's not able to go and enroll in Kerala, not able to write the bar council exam because the father is not allowing her to go because she wanted to marry the person that she wanted to marry. In this era, right now, here, I think this happened 25 years back or 50 years back. Here, child's career is being affected by the decision parent or whoever is being affected, coming to me with panic. The students don't know what to do. And I called the parent and I said, "Do you want to affect the career of your..." Again, so many reasons, the same old reason which we have been hearing in movies, and we think it only comes in movies. No, in reality, it comes to you saying that, she's marrying a guy whom I don't approve of. I said, "She's 24 years old. 24 years old. I said, "She's a gold medalist. And you're taking up a decision on her behalf, affecting her entire lifetime." I said, "And the visa is in his name." I said, "Just allow her to go and write the exam. We'll sort out the rest later." I intervened at that point of time. Finally, they decided, she will go and write the exam. I don't know what happened after 2 weeks. She didn't go. She lost the job. And she could not be in this house because she's been physically in a country where we think it is very, very, yeah. So what exactly is failing here? So you are growing up the girl child. So I see many women in our class. We have 80% of women, right? We are training them to be strong, and you vocal about what you want. You know everything, but in real life, you have no clue how to apply it. You have to maneuver through it, right? You have all this. Okay. So to every child and to every male and this. So these two incidents, so what is the legal principle I studied literally failed when the real circumstances posed to me. For me, both those are very much gender issues and very much which is existing in our society. No, it's not just a gender issue in here. In we think that we are in India or we are in Kerala, it is here. It is there everywhere in the world. And we are being faced with tough question as how would we address it? Not me just as the program head, but men who are involved in that whole process, because I said the Indian Association president, the president of the big organization was putting pressure on us to not just do it's a personal matter. Do you understand the impact of what it is having in spite of, we having learned? And when I took the stand, what happened? I was in the board of the school. They decided not to invite me. For 5 years, I've been called as a guest speaking because I'm in the board. This year, they decided not to call me, not to invite me. I did not even care. But I knew that I proved the point, at least helping, uplifting one person there. Okay, so that's two. So any females here, it doesn't apply just to the females, males here. In terms, it might be a small thing, even in case of your studies, you're talking today in the negotiation. In the table, I say what you require is certain qualities like empathy. How you move forward? You need the skills that you require. It's not just in your studies, but in your daily life. You require skills of negotiation, mediation. How do you maneuver? How do you negotiate with your parent? How do you negotiate with your employer? How do you and with utmost empathy there, the skills that you require is very important. Okay, so for me, these two incidents, I put it in front of you because it is not just the skills. Morning I was talking about, knowing about AI tools, mediation skills, that skill, this skill. Yes, but in life, these skills, we are lost. We don't know how to apply those skills. So train yourself, everybody, train yourself, and the gender rules are real. Because if you look at AI, you look at, you take a tool in AI, how they are in giving an outcome. You can try yourself. And this gender bias is real. It is not that we can close our eyes and no longer exists. It exists. This happened at an era when this is 21st century, and I'm thinking this is happening now. And I even asked the father, is it because is the guy from another religion? I'm trying to understand what reason for so vehemently destroying a daughter's career. So that's my small mind could only happen so much. He said, no, you just say and still yeah, a bright future. Now she's scrambling for what she got because she's bright. Okay, so these things will come in the future, even after your studies or later at any point of time. And it is for both men and women to help each other. I remember, if anybody was in my session earlier, I said there need to be a helping hand. It is, you can fight on it, but you need a helping hand surrounded by probably your friends, sometimes your parents. It could be anybody or an unknown person near you. You would get that helping hand. And I trust that each one of you fight for what is right as a law student and as a legal fraternity. Fight for yourself and fight for the others around you. If you have a chance, Mr. Jaydeep, sir, my classmate and friend, Madam, my classmate and friend. So I am so happy standing here, talking to you. So when you're in waiting, when you're in the court, please take this in mind because see it from the gender perspective also, how the outcome of the decision is going to affect. And with that note, I think I should stop. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your thoughtful and valuable words. Now, it is truly a privilege to have with us Mr. Jaydeep G. Nair, sir, advocate and acting as a mediator practicing in Thiruvananthapuram. A respected legal professional, Sir has been actively engaged in legal practice while also making valuable contributions to the field of alternate dispute resolution, particularly in the sphere of mediation. As an accredited mediator, Sir has played a significant role in promoting amicable settlement of disputes and strengthening the culture of mediation within the legal system. With great privilege, I now invite Mr. Jaydeep G. Nair, Sir, to deliver the presidential address. Sir, please.
Good evening, everyone. We had a very strong statement from Ms. Sagi, and like she said, it'd be interested to know that all three of us studied here from 1995 to 2000. We all started our legal journey together in the year 2000. Naran and I ended up in the courts, and Sagi took the academic route. And after 25 years, we are again here in this side of the table rather than the other. Now, this story is told by Sagi, if I may connect that to our present issue, I would say, at least in the second part of the story, on the second story, I would say she played the effective role of a negotiator because that is exactly what she said. She approached an issue, negotiated with the opposing party, and obtained a settlement, which was, at least for that point of time, an effective solution as far as the student was concerned, because she got to write the exams. So I guess she was a negotiator at that time and at that point of time. Anyway, I would say basically the difference between a mediation and a negotiation would be the absence of a mediator. So basically you are doing the same thing in mediation. Only difference is that in mediation there will be an independent third party who would be controlling the process, and whereas in negotiation it is just the parties against each other. I would always being a mediator myself, maybe I'm biased in that way, but I would always support for a mediated process rather than a negotiated process for the simple reason that unless there is a neutral third party involved in controlling the process, very often emotions get the better of you. anger, repression, maybe the feeling of being exploited if one side is weaker than the other. All these are factors that may affect the negotiation process. But I am very happy that negotiation has now also become a subject matter for students to learn from, because we are slowly transitioning from a period where 90% of the litigation was being fought in the courts to a situation where the majority of the litigations are now coming into the alternate dispute resolution systems. And therefore, the importance of mediation, the importance of negotiation is more important than ever. I'm happy that we are training students also to understand the nuances of negotiation. I think an excellent job was done in the finals that we were able to observe. I'm happy that students have understood the nuances of negotiation. I think the training in negotiation will help them a lot when they go, especially if you are in the corporate side and you need to have meetings and negotiations with opposite parties from other companies or opposite numbers. The skills of negotiation will help you very much in achieving your aim. And I think you have already completed. I don't want to waste more of your time. I think it's up to Narayan to continue this story. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
So much, sir, for your kind words. Now we have with us Mr. Narayan R. Sir, Advocate, Thiruvananthapuram, a respected member of the legal fraternity. With his dedication to the practice of law and commitment to the administration of justice, he has earned recognition among his peers and the legal community. Through his professional work and engagement with the legal system, he continues to contribute meaningfully to the pursuit of justice. It is with immense honor that I invite Mr. Narayan R. Sir to deliver the special address. Sir, please.
What Jaydeep meant at the last was I should not speak much. Now, this is when I stand here, this is almost a homecoming, so many nostalgic memories. As he said, we studied here in 1995, enrolled together in 2000. This very hall was inaugurated while we were in the final year. So we were in the managing committee along with Ajay. Ajay was still there during that time. Huh? So he was there. He was at that point also adjusting the mics. So it's actually some nostalgic feelings go through my mind. So standing here, I'm not saying much about the competition or the process of negotiation mediation. This is something which is more of a learning experience for me. As a trial advocate, always every day in the court, I study, I learn from you. I had no idea what negotiation is or whether there is a competition per se. We studied, we looked into it. So we are learning from you. So you're the masters. We are the students over here. It was a nice experience for me, and I congratulate all for Law Academy for taking these steps for client counseling. I believe Law Academy was the first to take the client counseling competition in the national sphere. And I should also mention, when we were studying, Answer was a student over here for LLM. Harisar was, I believe, he had just completed this LLM and joined some college. So Azam is also a regular over here. So it's a homecoming for all of us. Thank you again. And this is an eye-opener for me also. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. As we bring this gathering to a close, we are reminded that negotiation is not merely about reaching agreements, but about fostering understanding, building solutions through dialogue. The voices we heard today reflect a generation ready to approach conflicts with wisdom and strategic insight. May the spirit of negotiation nurtured here guide you in promoting constructive resolution in the service of society. Now, it is with immense pleasure that I invite Ms. Chinnu S. Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Kerala Law Academy Law College, to deliver the vote of thanks. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Vaishnavi and Manibala. Respected dignitaries, Sri S. Shamnad Sir, Senior Civil Judge and Secretary, District Legal Service Authority, Thiruvananthapuram, Dr. Sagi Gida Sedu Ma'am, Program Head, Amity Law School, Amity University, Dubai, Mr. Jaydeep G. Nair Sir, Advocate and Accredited Mediator, Thiruvananthapuram. Mr. Narayan R. Sir, Advocate, Thiruvananthapuram. Advocate Nagaraj Narayanan Sir, Director, Kerala Law Academy Law College, Member, Bar Council, Kerala. Professor Anil Kumar K. Sir, Director, Administration, Students and Faculty Affairs, Kerala Law Academy Law College. Ms. Pulleri D.R. Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Kerala Law Academy Law College. Esteemed guests, participants, and faculty members. It is my honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks as we conclude the valedictory session of the first Kerala Law Academy International Negotiation Competition 2026, organized by the Kerala Law Academy Law College in association with Kerala Law Academy, Moot Court Society, and IQAC KLA. This competition has reaffirmed the importance of negotiation as a vital skill in today's global legal landscape. Rooted in dialogue, mutual understanding, and cooperation, negotiation helps resolve complex disputes effectively. Through this competition, participants have demonstrated not only their negotiation skills but also diplomacy, patience, and professionalism. First and foremost, I extend my sincere gratitude to Sri S. Shamnaz sir for gracing this valedictory session with his esteemed presence. Sir's distinguished service in the judiciary and commitment to justice continues to inspire the legal community. We are truly grateful for the insightful valedictory address, sir. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Sagi Gida Sedu ma'am for delivering the keynote address. Ma'am's vast academic experience and international exposure has enriched today's session with valuable insights. Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing this event. My sincere appreciation goes to Mr. J.P. G. Nair, sir, for presiding over this valedictory session and for his encouraging words. His expertise in mediation and dispute resolution reflects the true spirits of negotiation. Thank you so much, sir. I would also like to thank Mr. Narayan R. Sir for delivering the special address and for sharing his valuable experiences and perspectives with us. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing this event. With due respect, we place a record of heartfelt gratitude to Advocate Nagaraj Narayanan Sir, Director, Kerala Academy Law College, and member of the Council of Kerala for his visionary leadership and constant encouragement. I also thank Professor Anil Kumar K. Sir, Director, Administration, Students and Faculty Affairs, Kerala Law Academy Law College, for his valuable guidance and support in organizing this competition. Our sincere gratitude goes to our respected Professor Harindran K. Sir, Principal, Kerala Law Academy Law College, for his commitment and academic excellence. Thank you, sir. We also thank Professor Anil Kumar G. Sir, Vice Principal, Kerala Law Academy Law College, for his constant encouragement and guidance. We express our gratitude to Professor Dr. Ajita Nair Elma, Head of the Department, KLU, for her continuous support and academic leadership. Thank you, ma'am. Special thanks goes to Dr. Dakshina Saraswati, Associate Professor, General Secretary, KLU Moot Court Society, for her dedicated efforts and guidance, which greatly contributed to the success of this competition. Thank you so much, ma'am. We extend our sincere thanks to Pulleri D.R. Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Kerala Law Academy Law College, for the warm welcome address that set the tone for this program. Thank you so much, ma'am. We extend our sincere gratitude to the faculty conveners of this event, Assistant Professors, Shalini Ma'am, Selim Ma'am, Krishnendu Ma'am, and Blessy Ma'am. Dr. Malavika Juna, Chief Coordinator, KLA Moot Court Society, Ms. Shalini Ma'am and Mr. Girdesa, Joint General Secretaries, KLA Moot Court Society, Dr. Nair Swadi Balasaraswati Ma'am, Training Coordinator, Mr. Subin Chako Matthew Sir, Media Coordinator, Mr. Manu Krishnan Sir, Event Coordinator, KLA Moot Court Society, for their dedicated guidance, meticulous coordination, and unwavering support. Your collective effort and commitment have been instrumental in the successful conduct of this international negotiation competition. Thank you. We place on record our heartfelt appreciation to our dedicated student conveners Aishwarya Tulasi, Arjun Sunil, Dhanusha Nayan JP, Muhammad Faiz M. Rafi, Anandan V, Siona Francis P, and RS Aishwarya Subramaniam, whose commitment, coordination, and tireless effort have been central to the seamless execution of this competition. Your professionalism and teamwork have truly made this event a success. Thank you. To all our participants who joined us from various institutions, your preparation, integrity, and commitment to the spirit of negotiation have truly elevated the standards of this competition. While awards recognize excellence, the true achievements lies in the skills refined, perspectives, and professional values strengthened through this experience. We also extend our sincere thanks to the IT team, technical staff, teaching and non-teaching staff, and the anchoring team whose collective effort ensure the smooth conduct of this program. Thank you. With deep gratitude to each one of you who contributed to the success of First Kerala Law Academy International Negotiation Competition 2026, I conclude this word of thanks. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for expressing your heartfelt gratitude. With that, we have come to the end of the valedictory session of the first Kerala Law Academy International Negotiation Competition 2026.
As we bring the first Kerala Law Academy International Negotiation Competition 2026 to a solemn close, we offer our deepest gratitude to our esteemed judges, honored guests, and faculty members. To our participants, tireless organizing committees, and volunteers, it is your dedication that has transformed this competition into a true celebration of legal excellence. Your contributions have not only enriched the spirit of advocacy, but have upheld the proud, enduring legacy of the Kerala Law Academy Law College. With a profound sense of pride and reverence, we now conclude these proceedings. I most respectfully invite this august gathering to rise for the national anthem.